Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I will be trading my challenge account. As you can see over here, we're up 2.3% on this one and we're up 3% on this one. So the goal is today, as you see on my previous video, I will be risking to break even. So on this account I might risk 2.3% and on this one I'll risk 3%. Get a nice little 1-to-1 or 1-to-1 and a little bit. And the goal is, we've been shorting off on the gold for some time, and now we've just done a flag, so I think I'm going to take entries on both for sells right now. Let me just do that. Oh, okay, 33.25 is my stop loss on both. So we go here, 33.25, 33.25. Then I'm going to short off on both. Literally as we speak, I'm going to do it because I'm a bit late. Drop that stops here. Check my stop loss on here, make sure it's all correct. Yeah, so as you can see, I'll explain in a second why I've just shorted, but it's very volatile, so I'm going to just stay in it. 33.12 is my TP. Around that zone, we're up already 1%. 33.12, so I just entered at a good time. I was trying to get in as soon as possible. I'm in. To be honest, let me get a nice stop, a nice TP. So around 33.09, 33.06 is a good take profit for me at this time. So I'm going to change my stop loss now, 33.06. The thing is, we have news in about half an hour, so I want to be in and out of here, really, if I'm being honest. I'm going to put it at 33.06. It doesn't mean that is my take profit, but this is the zone that I'm trying to get to. So this is literally what I do. So my entry is 33.19. So I'll go onto here, put my short position, 33.19. My take profit, my stop loss is over here, and we're aiming at for around 33.07 mark is a good level. So I'll give you a rundown in a second. I'll put my alert here because if we touch here now, I could potentially just close my trade. My internet is terrible here, but anyways, so I'll probably close around here because now if we touch there, I lose half my money rather than risking what I was risking. So initially I'm risking 3% and 2%, but if we get to around this zone, I might just close, and then I've only risked around 1.5%. So ideally I can get to like 3302. If that's the goal, then sure. But let me just go onto here and check the price that I'm hitting at. So because I'm already at 5.4 on here, the goal is I might as well just get this over and done with. So I'll go on my calculator and then I do 1,800 minus 102,316, and I need 5,684. So I literally put this price at 5,000. What is it exactly? 84. I'm not saying that this is what I'm gonna hit, but this would be a nice level. If we hit this zone today, that would be amazing. And on this one, I need to make 7k even, so that's already too much. So 7k. 7.26 is good for me. How many pips is that? Let's have a little measure. 120 pips. So literally now, this is the trade that I'm in. So I'll get back to you guys soon. I'm going to put some key levels here now. So around 73 pips, I'm probably going to put it around there as well. And then if I go onto here, my first take profit is 33.07. So put this back at 33.07 because that's all we need now. And then once I've done that, I'll put it just below 33.07 because of spreads and stuff. So I know that I've hit TP. So, right, let me run you guys through this. Initially, yesterday I tried to take longs yesterday because I thought we was at a major resistance level, but I was wrong. So I took a little loss yesterday. from literally here. I said to myself I'm gonna short off, but I didn't short off because I thought, oh, we're at this key level now. Let me try and buy and just get a 1-to-1 and be happy with. But that didn't go to plan yesterday, which is fine. So now we're moving at how many pips right now? I'm at a 1-to-1 on both accounts right now. This account is flying. So for me now, I could either close and call it a day because then I only need about 3.5%. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit and see. I'll close for now. The only reason as to why I'm closing is because I have news at 9 p.m. my time, so 3 p.m. New York. So if I go onto here, you can see that 9 p.m. we have news. Now, I don't think I'm going to be done with trading right now because I see a nice little setup. So initially what I could do is so I need to make 3.5% on here and 4% on here. So my plan, I think what's going to happen is it's going to touch my break even now. So if we go back onto trading view, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an alert around here, and I've got a feeling we're going to come touch around back up to this zone. And if we get back up to this zone, I potentially might look for shorts again. So for now, I've taken just over a 1-to-1 because if I go onto here, I don't know. Like I said, I had a feeling we're going to reject, so I thought I might as well just take the money for now. And I'll give it about 15-25 minutes or something like that. Wait till 9 p.m. 3 p.m. New York time, see what happens from there. And then, like I said, if we come catch back up to this zone, because I feel like it's going to start stopping people out. So probably people have been taking shorts where I took shorts and then are still trying to hold, and the buyers are pushed up a little bit. So I'm assuming people are going to take longs and probably stop out this trade here. Now, if I'm wrong and it continues going bearish, then that's fine. I'm not going to trade today. But my goal is to try and get this account passed by literally the next this week. So this is literally it for now. I'm gonna pause the recording and I'll come back to you very soon. Now I'm up. I made 3% on this account. Well, 3% on this account and 2% on this account, which I'm happy with. I'll take a 1-to-1, like I said. With the challenge phases, I want to take 1-to-1. So if I go to my trading overview, let me see my analytics. We can go to that in a second. So my average risk to reward is 1. My worst trade was 2.5%, and my best trade was 3.6%, which isn't bad. Now, profitability is up on the scales, which is good. My win rate is 66%. So as you can see, obviously with challenge accounts, I go more aggressive, so I take more trades. Okay, so if I go into the analytics, on this account, I have not been on drawdown once. So as you can see, I went aggressive, took 2%. Also took another 2% almost. Lost 2%. Was stuck around the 2% mark. Got back up here to +3. Went down to almost 1%, risk 2%, and I made 5%, well 4%, let's say. So then I was back up here. As you can see now, I'm at 4.5. The most I've got on here was 4.9, so we're basically at the same level which I. So I'm back. As you can see, we're almost hitting TP. Now I'm gonna probably be happy and just say close this, and just say also, oh, as soon as I close it would have hit TP, but that's fine. I'm fine with that. So as we can see, literally I'm gonna close both accounts. Right now I need 0.5% to pass this account, and this one I need 1.5% to pass. So we just like 10%. Like FTMO, I made 1.5% over what I was supposed to make. My profit target was 8k and I made 9.5%. Whoops, sometimes it happens. So as you can see now, if I go onto here, I've got the phase 2 here now. My profit target is 5%. I need to remember. I have 5 minimum trading days, which is fine. And then if I go onto the light, my profit target is still 8k. And I'm at 6.6k, so I need to make 1.5%. So on my next trade, I'll probably risk 1.5% to make 1.5%. That'll be a nice 1-to-1. Maybe that will be next week, because this week I have my trading account my funded trading with FTMO that I get back. So potentially I'll take a trade with that tomorrow. So yeah, as you can see, I passed and I didn't know. So I'm on phase 2 now on one of them, and also I'm still up 6.6% on one. So this is good news. I'm gonna literally vlog every time I take a trade, and I'm gonna go through it so you guys can see. This is a literal boot camp on how to pass a challenge.